We're out in the workshop working on some enhancements to the brewbot. Here you can see that the mash basket for the brewbot, the stainless steel mesh isn't really that fine, so we've been finding a fair bit of grain particles ending up in the wort, which leaves through a not very clear beer. So been thinking about how to resolve that, and one way is just to go with a finer mesh, but another way we've come up with is to recirculate the wort during the mash, much like the German automated brew systems do. Unfortunately, underneath the brewbot there's not really that much room to add a march pump like they have, so I've been considering adding a peristaltic pump up on the bulkhead on the gantry and having some pipes go down into the mash and using that to recirculate. So you can find them on eBay reasonably cheap, but they don't seem to do very high volumes, so I've been working on a slightly larger version in the workshop, a bit of a ghetto version just to prove the concept, just using a bit of standard 1/2 inch Homebrew silicone hose, a bit of 4 or 5 inch PVC pipe coupling here. Got some angle iron and some threaded rod and some springs that have been welded together, actually brazed together. I don't have that much of a workshop here. You can see the base of it is just some bits of scrap timber I've screwed together, all driven by a trusty windscreen wiper motor, and in there you can see the spider coupling between the output of the windscreen wiper motor and the shaft that drives the pump. So the aim is to get say 20-30 litres through the pump in an hour to do at least a couple of volumes of circulation of the mash. Okay, so here we have the inside of the pump. It's pretty basic construction, just some angle iron, it's been brazed together, and a couple of springs, pretty stiff. And for the rollers, just got a stainless steel pin and a bit of 1/4 inch black steel pipe nipple.